In this video tutorial, I want to share with you how to create templates for your document, for your kind of data that you produce, maybe daily, monthly. If you repeatedly find yourself producing or editing a particular data, you can make a template from it, and you can always revisit the template and do all your editings very easily in Microsoft Excel. Usually when you try to open Excel, you come to home and maybe you come to new, you can see a bunch of things. Maybe you can see you can start from a blank workbook, or you can check to see some amazing templates. Okay, so you can see different templates that people have used, and Excel is sharing it with me to see if I can find it useful and maybe it can align with what I want, and just use it for my own data management. So you can do that. This is the suggested searches. You can do that on business searches, where you can see once you click on business, it's going to bring business related charts and Excel sheets, and you can do so much more. Maybe you can check personal, or you can check planners and trackers, lists, budgets, charts, calendars, and many more. Okay, so once you click on a particular tab, it's going to bring those templates that are related to that tab. For example, this is calendars. You can see sample calendars displayed for you. So for this case, I want to share with you how to make your own template. Okay, instead of you to always use the template, you can always create your own, and then you can save it. This is always visible to only you, it's not visible to any other person. So once you come to new from your own Excel document, if you open an Excel document, you can come to new over here, and you can see a bunch of templates, okay, over here, and you can arrange or visit templates accordingly. But then there is one that you can see at the top here. In addition to Office, you can see personal templates, and once you come here, you can see the templates that you've made on your own, and you can just click, edit it, and save it again and move on, okay, without overriding the previous month or the previous week or the previous day data. So how do I get my own monthly template or my own data template that I can always use for my own concept? Just like I've designed this for my liking, I so like it. This is my monthly family expenses, for example. This is just an arbitrary one. I've edited quite a lot from here. I find it online also. You're free to check around and make sure you get it to what you want. For my own case, I will get it to what I want: projected cost, actual cost, differences, and all that. Actual cost overview and description, okay, what I need. So at this point, I may want to save this to make it my own template that I'm going to be using or revisiting every month to edit and make it my monthly expenses for that particular month. So all I need to do is to come to file over and come to save as, and you just navigate to go to the location where you want to save it. So for example, I want to save it in videos, I want to save it in new Excel templates. I can just come over here. So let's say I'm going to give it a name. Let's say I give it a name, my monthly template, right? So you can see right now it's set to this file type is Excel workbook. If you want to change it or save it as a template, you can just click on this drop down and you can see it Excel template. So once you click on Excel template, it's going to be saved as a template for you. Okay, so with this name, my monthly template. So you can just click on save, and this is saved as a template. So the next time you want to work on this particular template or on this particular kind of monthly expenses, all you need to do is to just come to file, go to open, go to new, and then you can come to personal over here, and you can see my monthly template. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this place. This is my monthly template. So you can just do the editings. For example, I want to put this monthly expenses, and then this is the month of November, for example, and I want to save as. Now this time around, I'm not going to save it as a template, I'm going to save it as an Excel book, but then I'm going to remove the template over here and just make it November, right? So once I save this, you can see it's saved as a monthly template for November. So I do all my editings, and the next time I want to open, I don't have to come to November again. I just have to come to new, and I can go straight to my template, and then I can come to my personal and then go to straight to template. I don't have to kind of go to monthly to the month of November. I just come to my monthly template, and it's going to bring me to over here, and I can do all my editings from here. So I can just put maybe for December thereabout, and then do all the editings and then save it out for November. All right, I'm now saving it independently for November. Okay, so I can just put November or December. All right, So it's as easy as that. So you don't have to overwrite November, or you don't have to overwrite the data on the other previous months. I hope you find this very helpful, because you can easily make your work very easy, so you don't have to keep overriding the existing document. For example, if you want to do for January, again, maybe you have to do it everything here. It's kind of time saving to incorporate the use of templates. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.